Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the new instant feature on Instagram. So in one of the latest Instagram updates, there's a new feature that called instant, like this. And the way it works is pretty similar to Instagram stories, but with a different concept. When you take a photo using Instant, using this feature, it will get sent directly to your friends without a lot of editing options or extra steps. And from there, your friends can view your Instant post, but there's a catch. It it can only be viewed once and reacted to once. And after your friends have already seen it, that Instant automatically disappears from their page. And this feature is actually pretty interesting, and some people may enjoy using it because it feels more spontaneous and quick. But at the same time, some users maybe feel a little uncomfortable with it because of where the feature is placed. The Instant button is located inside the DM sections like this, and it's lower on the screen, which means there's a chance you could accidentally tap it while opening messages or scrolling through the chat. And because the system sends content right after taking a photo, it can feel a bit risky. Just imagine accidentally pressing it and then it will take a random picture that immediately gets sent to someone. That's why some users prefer turning it off completely. And if you want to disable it, I will show you these steps. First, just open your Instagram app like this and then go to your profile page like this. And then after that, just tap the three lines icon at the top right corner, this one. And then next, just scroll down until you find the content preferences, this one. Just tap on it, and then inside this menu, just look for the hide instant in inbox, this one. And then now just simply turn on to hide the instant. And that's it. After enabling these options, the instant feature should disappear or become disabled from your DM sections, so you won't accidentally press it anymore. You can see it's the button already gone like this. And that's how to turn off Instagram instant button. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.